Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check the serial number of your HP Smart Tank 580. So first, what you guys want to do is open up this cover right here. So let's open it up. Here you will guys see the inks. And right here, we will have the serial number. I'll show it to you guys right now. So I'll be back in a second. So as you guys can see here, we will have our pin, and right here we will have our serial number. So that's basically where you guys can find it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.